Okay, let's head shall we, to the Premier League season. I've got a lot of confidence.
The water is flooding in again from your manhole and completely filled my garden already.
Heavy rain and flooding hit UK capital London today, on August 7th. The Met Office has issued a yellow thunderstorm warning for Northern Ireland, North Wales, Northern England and up into central Scotland until midnight on Saturday, with heavy showers potentially causing travel disruption and flooding in a few places. Videos shows flooded streets, cars driving through water, what can be extremely dangerous. The rain has already caused some travel disruption, with Transport for London reporting that trains were unable to stop at the Circle, Hammersmith and City and Metropolitan line platforms at Liverpool Street. Areas of East London, including Walthamstow, have been particularly badly affected. It's going to be a very wet and rainy day on Saturday, as it is forecast to pour through its entirety. Share a video if you like the message, and don't forget, world is dangerous.